Bravo Reporting Pro is your web-based reporting suite that gives you instant access to store and company-wide data, anytime, anywhere. It's also available through the Shopkeeper app for on-the-go reporting. With Bravo Reporting Pro, you can view performance metrics, financial summaries, loan activity, inventory trends, and more, all in a simple browser-based dashboard. Once logged in, navigation is easy. Reports are organized into clear categories like inventory, loans, financial, operational, employees, and sales. You'll see over 70 plus detailed reports ranging from daily operational summaries to deep dive analytics. Some reports focus on a single store, while others allow you to view data across your entire company, making it easy to compare performance or consolidate results. To run a report, simply select the category, choose your report, and set your date range. Click View Report to view it instantly. You can even export to download it in Excel or PDF format. It's that simple. Bravo Reporting Pro gives you the power to make informed business decisions, all from one place. Want more information? Visit the link in the description. Thanks and have a great day.